If you're experiencing lag while using CapCut, don't worry, I've got some easy fixes for you. So let's jump right in. First things first, try restarting the app. Close CapCut completely and then reopen it. This can clear up temporary issues that might be causing the lag. Next, make sure your CapCut app is up to date. Go to your App Store, search for CapCut, and check if there is an update available. Keeping your app updated can fix bugs and improve performance. Low storage can cause lag, so check your device's storage by going to Settings, go to General, and tap on iPhone Storage. If you're low on space, consider deleting unnecessary apps or files. Next, close any other apps running in the background. Press your home button or swipe up to view all open apps, then swipe away those you're not using. And that's it. Those are some effective ways to fix lag.